AXILE is Buffalo's division for 5-axis high-speed cutting machines, and we are in the EMO 2019. And I will introduce you to our new machines. G6 is our bestseller machine. It's a 600mm 5-axis table. We can have different automation systems like robots or pallet changers. This robot loading system can load 0-point pallets from Aerobar or Schunk or any other 0-point manufacturer. And we can also handle different sizes depending on the machine and the customer requirements. G8 is our biggest gantry type 5-axis machine. It's an 800mm table machine. The machine we have in this show has also the turning capacity for more complex parts. This is a very good function for some industries like the aerospace industry or defense industry, where parts need to be turned and 5-axis milled, and you can do everything in one setup. DC12 is our new machine in the show, and it's a bigger size machine for parts of 1.4 meter diameter up to 800mm height. This machine is a different configuration from the G series. It's a double column machine, so we have the C axis in the table and B axis in the head. This is the perfect configuration for some components for the aerospace industries and for the die and mold business also. At EMO 2019, we are also introducing our ART system. This is our proposal to meet the requirements of the Industry 4.0 to improve basically the preventive maintenance of the machines and to make the machines more reliable and more stable for the automation of the future.